Well, thanks, Cameron. And speaking of that wind, multiple Miami Valley counties are under a wind advisory until 6 o'clock tonight.
Those high winds coupled with the drop in temperatures could lead to potential dangers on the road and power outages even at home. We're going to bring in 2 News reporter Avery Feldman who has more on how to get ready for these high winds.
Kayla, if you're headed into work this morning or even just staying at home, local experts are reminding you to have a plan for the windy weather. When it comes to driving in windy conditions, experts say to drive defensively and focus on the road. Watch for debris or fallen power lines. For at-home safety, Marianne Cable with AES recommends tying down any holiday decorations or anything else outside that could fly away. Make sure to charge your mobile devices, know where your family members are, and use extra caution with heat-generating appliances. Have a safety kit with a flashlight, blankets, and non-perishable food items.
People tend to use more electricity around the holidays, so it's really, really important to have that storm kit available should you experience an outage.
If your power goes out, you can report it by calling AES Ohio at 8774-OUTAGE or online at aesohio.com/outage. Coming up, I'll have more on driving safety and the strong winds. Live in the newsroom, Avery Feldman, 2 News.
Okay, thanks, Avery. And here's a current look at the AES power outage map. The outage map jumped to over 3,000 people without power right now. More than 2,000 of those people without power are in Greenville. We're going to be keeping track of any power outages throughout the morning as wind advisories continue to be in effect. And speaking of those wind conditions, multiple Miami Valley counties are under a wind advisory until 6 o'clock tonight.
Those high winds coupled with the drop in temperatures could lead to power outages, already seeing some, and potential dangers on the road. 2 News reporter Avery Feldman has more on the safety precautions you might keep in mind during this type of weather. Good morning, Avery.
Kayla, good morning. If you're heading to work or even just staying at home, local experts are reminding everyone to take it slow and be mindful on the roads. For at-home safety, experts recommend tying down any holiday decorations or anything else outside that could fly away. Have a safety kit and know where your family members are. When it comes to driving in windy conditions, Sergeant Hess with Ohio State Highway Patrol says to drive like you would in a winter storm. Drive defensively, leave extra time to get to your destination, and give space around large trucks because they have a larger surface area for the wind to catch. Sergeant Hess also says to watch for fallen debris and have both hands on the wheel.
Slow down a little bit and don't overreact to what is happening. Because usually oftentimes you're going to overreact and then you're correcting or you're overcorrecting and then you drive off the roadway or you might hit a vehicle next to you. So just take your time.
State and local law enforcement will be out in full force through New Year's Day. Coming up, I'll have more on power outage safety. Live in the newsroom, Avery Feldman, 2 News.